If you've never tried this before, it's really, really good. You guys, this is my Pinterest, one of my boards, like my fit girl aesthetic vibe that I would love to become, because you know what? You are what you surround yourself with. So if I find like easy, quick meal ideas, I'll save them. Outfit inspos, body inspos. Again, I keep it very light because these days you don't know if it's edited. I don't know these people personally, so I don't know if it's real. Did they get it in the gym or not? I don't know. Hey you guys, welcome back to a YouTube video. I don't think I've done a proper intro because it's my day off. It's my day off from the gym, but I typically don't like to just vlog every single day of the week all the time because I do have a lot going on. I have 3 YouTube channels to keep up with, an Instagram to keep up with, I have my personal life to keep up with. So sometimes you kind of just need like a day to yourself, and I'm very blessed to be able to have a day to myself and to create my own schedule and have my own flexibility. So for me, like working out is exhausting, not just like in the gym, but it takes up so much of my day. It takes an hour to get there, an hour to get back. I gotta get ready for the gym. I gotta do the work in the gym. Some days I'm filming a lot of content and doing things like that for brands. So if I'm not productive in the morning before I go to the gym, it's not gonna happen in the evening because I just wanna come home, eat and shower and sleep. Like that's it. I just wanna get in the bed, get on Pinterest and just chill. It's just very exhausting, and I've found that I've been kind of exhausted. So I wanted to take a rest day today, and I wasn't intending on vlogging, but I was vlogging content, and I'll have days where I'm like, I want to vlog, but I don't really want to talk to the camera, but I want to show you what I'm doing. That's kind of how this video ended up happening today. But I did want to check in and let you guys know what I like to do to kind of just rest and reset so I can go back to the gym tomorrow, maybe even the next day, and really push myself. I've been really sore, specifically like on my shoulders. I have crazy bruises and like it's turning into a scab, okay, from doing those good mornings. So I had to tell myself I love doing them, but it hurts too bad. So I just need to take some time out and not put my body through so much stress. So what I like to do is journal. I have a couple different journals that I like to do. I have my affirmation journal, which is just a blank lined journal, and then I also recently got the 5-minute journal, and I've been loving this. These are both on my Amazon. They are such good staples for just resetting your mind, relaxing, being present in the moment, and focusing on like your journey ahead in life, whatever that might mean to you. So I love those 2 things. Those are things that I just love to implement in my normal day to day, but especially on a rest day, I like to kind of reset my life in a sense, mini resets, okay? And then I also love, I'm addicted, you guys know if you keep up with my vlog channel, like Pinterest. At this point, it is like the blueprint to my lifestyle that I would love to manifest, because there's just so much good stuff on Pinterest, and you can organize it. You can create boards for any and everything. I have a board for my fitness, just like inspo to keep me accountable and inspire me to maybe try a new recipe, or I don't know, an outfit combination for the gym, or just an overall body aesthetic. But you have to be careful with that. Looking at random girls' bodies on Pinterest can be dangerous because you don't know those people like maybe you do by watching someone's vlogs or keeping up with their journey as a whole. These days it is a little toxic with Photoshop and plastic surgeries. Like, you just don't know what's real and authentic and what was built in the gym versus what is not. So I am very cautious about body types that I put into my board and not obsessing over I want to look like that girl. Like I need her specific body, her curves, her booty, whatever, because that's just not realistic in these days that we live in. So just be mindful of that if you use Pinterest like me. I just love the inspo and just like becoming that girl that I want to become, and whatever that means to me, like eating a little bit cleaner that day, or I don't know, trying a different hairstyle for the gym that day, or a different skincare clean girl aesthetic that I want to rock for like the gym that day, or I don't know, eating some fruits. I have a problem where I don't want to eat fruits, so I definitely pin a lot of simple whole meals and foods that kind of motivate me to have that girl aesthetic. Like, oh, these people are doing it, I want to be healthier. I want to really work and focus on my health and wellness journey, especially on my off days when these are the times that we need to kind of recover our body from all the trauma that we're putting ourselves through. We need to replenish with water, replenish with good foods, and that's what kind of motivates me. Like, I don't know, it's just such a happy, positive space, and I love it here. I love Pinterest so much more. I was never really a Tumblr girly, but I feel like Pinterest is way more positive. I don't know, it's just different. The aesthetic I'm trying to have in my life, all the neutral Gymshark sets, like, it's just such a nice place, and I love it for me. So Pinterest is what I like to do in my downtime. It brings me a lot of joy, and doing something that is fun for me but isn't exhausting. I also like to watch YouTube videos. I don't have a lot of time to just sit and watch YouTube vlogs, especially like my favorites that do like hour-long videos. I don't have the time for that if I'm at the gym. I can't watch a YouTube video at the gym because I'm lifting weights. If I was doing cardio, that would work, but it doesn't for me and my workout style. So I love to just catch up on YouTube vlogs on my rest days. I like to do my journaling, hop on Pinterest, maybe bake something. I did feel a little lazy this morning at 10 a.m. and I was like, I'm ordering a Domino's thin crust pizza because I have been craving it all week, but I was really focused on eating at home and prioritizing proteins, and I was like, no, we have food at home. So I ate up all my groceries and I treated myself today. So I think it is okay to treat yourself and not have it be like something that is regretful, like, oh, it's a cheat meal, I regret it, I have to burn these calories in the gym tomorrow. That's very toxic behaviors, and I was once like that. So I had to realize that we need to be kind and gentle to ourselves if we want this journey to be a lifelong journey and very sustainable, and not something that is just gonna be here today, gone tomorrow, you know, as Drake would say. Did a little bit of a room refresh. I like to wash my bedding, did a little vacuuming, wiped down my surfaces with a false scent, and I have a sage incense burning right now as well, just to kind of refresh the space and get some good vibes going. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm not having like a full exciting day, but I wanted to show you a realistic rest day in my life. And then I think in my next vlog we'll get back to like some gym content, and I really want to show you girls what fits in my mini gym bag. I was gonna do that today, but I thought it would be a little bit too much for just one video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, but I would also love to know in the comments, what do you girls like to do on your rest days? Like, what brings you joy when you just want to have your off time, you know, from just being on that grind of being consistent and showing up in the gym and literally exhausting ourselves, because it can be overwhelming. But I just like to sleep. I slept in today. Also, I've been so tired because I was supposed to go to the grocery store, but I was like, girl, no, I don't want to leave the house today. It was just one of those freaking days. I've been so social recently that I just needed a day around nobody but me and my dogs. Okay, so I will do my errands and stuff tomorrow. I already planned that out. Planning my days, my weeks. I also like to do that on my rest days as well. But it's really just a time to relax and essentially do nothing. But if I get something accomplished, then hey, that's a win. If I get a video edited for the day on a rest day, that's a win. But it's not like something that I need to do. I'm not gonna prioritize that. Not my hair knotting up, but I need to fix my hair because girl, it got so sweaty yesterday. Just like right here, it looks a mess. So I need to deal with that tonight. But I'm gonna go put my bonnet back on, y'all.